Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you a few ways how you can make money with Sofi Invest. I'm someone who is interested in investing, and I've been investor for a few years right now. I'm mainly into ETFs and also to gain money from dividends, and also to crypto. But crypto is for me like mamma mia. I'm like safe investor. I don't like to risk a lot, so therefore, I like ETFs and dividends much more comparing to the crypto world. Now, when you would come here to the Sofi Invest, there are a few ways how you can make money. The first way is IPO investing. This is the new thing that active Invest members can participate in upcoming IPOs before they trade on the exchange. So this is something like, let's say there is going to be a Coinbase, which was on like multiple, look at this, on multiple brokers that you can buy, and you can easily invest into IPOs, indication of interest, and that how you can actually invest money. So this is the first way. Another way that I really like how you can invest money into Sofi and make it is automated investing. So we will manage a portfolio for you. It's easier than to put your money on a mission, goal planning, auto rebalancing, diversification. So you just make and computer algorithms to provide financial guidance and portfolio management for investors. So this is the really good way how you can make money too. So not only are you going to invest and buy stock by yourself, but this is the way how you can actually just generate more revenue, not revenue, but have like more investment and better investment. So this is the second way how I'd recommend. Yes, you can do the active investment that you're gonna invest it by yourself from stocks. So, but this is a risky, just like invest into individual stocks. My recommendation is definitely choose stocks which you believe in. That let's say that I believe in Tesla and what they do, or like Apple or Shopify with their e-commerce product, or just with Apple, they are going really heavily into healthcare, and I believe what they will create in 5 or 6 years, whatever. You can invest into those, but my recommendation is go long term if you don't want to do the swing trading or day trading. In that way, like investing into stocks is beneficial and effective. Another way what you can do is to, of course, buy crypto, have retirement accounts and ETFs. So I won't really get into a retirement account, but that's another thing what you can actually do. But another way how we can actually invest money is through the ETFs. ETFs is a great way how we can make money, possibly like going with a ARC ETFs that for me are the best ones, but you get like, can get paid weekly. Gig economy ETFs is low fee. So Sofi 500 mid-cap US companies. And you get multiple options to what ETFs. I'm not going to recommend to which you should definitely invest. I invest into ARC ones because I like what they do, and that's what I do. And then I invest into individual stocks, and then I invest into crypto. So I'll just show you what is my portfolio. I go like 70%. I go ETFs combined with dividends. That's what I focus on. Then every month I change it based on what I like. But 70% goes to that. Then 25% goes to individual stocks that I like. So I invest into Apple, Asana. Then I invest into Shopify, Nvidia, AMD. Like these are the ones that I really prefer and like what they do. And then that's 5% goes to crypto. And this is how I invest money, and this is how I make money. So that's what I do. So these are ETFs and dividends. Then I invest into stocks, which gives me that. Then goes 25% individual stocks, and then 5% goes crypto. That's my strategy that I use and how I make money. Not directly with Sofi, but this is how you can make money too if you want. Like it's completely up to you how much you want to risk, what kind of capital you're investing. Like every month I invest about like 3,000 euro. That's like 3.5k dollars. but that's what I do. So you choose your world, your way. But these are the ways how you can make money with Sofi Invest. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Again, if you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.